In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use a VPN on your Apple TV. The first thing we need to do is to go to the home screen of our Apple TV where you can see a list of all of your apps. Once you're here, you want to navigate to the App Store and click into that. Once you're inside the App Store, you want to navigate to the search icon in the top navigation bar, and then you want to search for a VPN of your choice. In this example, we are going to be using IPVanish VPN. IPVanish. Once you've searched for it, it should be the top result and it should look like this. Once you've clicked into it, you can scroll down to view more information about the VPN, and once you're ready to download it, you want to go all the way to the top, and you want to click on the Get button, and this will download it to your Apple TV within a few seconds. However, mine looks like a cloud button because I've downloaded it in the past. Once the application has been downloaded, you want to go ahead and click on Open. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be taken to this privacy screen, so you want to go ahead and read all the information here, and once you're ready to continue, you want to click on Get Started. You're then taken to the login screen, and you want to go ahead and log into your IPVanish account if you have one already. If you don't, you want to click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to go ahead and get yourself an exclusive discount on an IPVanish account. Once you've logged in, you'll then be prompted to create a configuration profile for the VPN. So you want to go ahead and click on Allow, and now we can start using IPVanish VPN just as we normally would. So for the example of this video, I'm going to connect to a United States server as I want to watch the US version of Netflix. Alternatively, you can click on the search icon in the top navigation bar if you wish to do so. So once you've found the server of your choice, you just want to go ahead and click onto it, and then after a few seconds you'll be successfully connected to that server. And once you are connected, you can go ahead and start using your Apple TV just as you normally would. So for the example of this video, I'm going to open Netflix. And once you've signed into your Netflix account and selected a profile, you can go ahead and start watching the United States version of Netflix on your Apple TV. And just to prove we are on the US version of Netflix, here it says top 10 TV programs in the US today. So you just want to go ahead and select a TV program, and you can start watching it just as you normally would. And that's it. So to remember to use the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to get yourself an exclusive discount on an IPVanish account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.